Good morning, Sawyer crew. We up and swinging this morning. We getting ready to get breakfast started. We're gonna have some eggs and waffles this morning. Lucinda is inside the RV, is getting our schoolwork done. We got Ethan over there. Ethan.
Hey, what's up, guys?
And then we have Mikhail and DeMarcus inside the RV. Little Henry had work this morning, so we'll be catching up with him later on today. We'll see you guys in a minute. All right, guys. We already cracked a few eggs in our bowl. We want to whisk them up. Ethan's going to help me out finish cracking eggs, and then we're going to take you guys to the grill and show you how we scramble the eggs on the outside grill. All right, guys, we got the eggs scrambling. First time scrambling on the grill. Coming out fine. It's cooking a little hot in the middle. Like y'all seen the first time when Lucinda was scrambling. I mean, not scrambling, but cooking the meat for the sliders the other day. It's my first time cooking on it. But it's doing good. I like it so far, and we'll take you to the end result. All
right. All right, we got done eating breakfast. Henry cooked for the boys. I got done with school, and now we're gonna head to the military base. Take you guys along with us. I believe we're gonna go fish on the back of the base.
Fishing.
So before we do that, we're gonna go into the MWR, or is it MWR that we're gonna go to look at their fishing bait and stuff like that. I like to go in there just to see how much it is to rent a kayak, how much it is to rent a boat. They have all those things on the military base. I think is it the MWR?
It's MWR.
It's MWR. Okay, so we're gonna go over there right now. kind of crab is that?
Ethan just hooked a stone crab.
Female.
And Lucinda just got her a spot.
And they're getting thrown back, both of them. But at least they're biting. You got a little action.
Yep. Sitting here on this beautiful day on the water. You see the boats coming in. Over there you can see the Navy ships. We out here on the rocks.
That's okay. Whoa, another jack. Then has another one right before we get ready to leave. Oh, it is a rockfish. Ethan, what is going on?
Having a rockfish, that's rare. You got a rare commodity right there. I can feel to catch a coral reef rock bass.
How do you feel?
It's good. I'm the only one in the world that caught that. Make sure you throw it back now. Kiss it and throw it back. Tell him to go back to his people.
Wow. All right, fishing was good. We went back to the RV and we kind of washed up and everything. One perk about camping locally is that everything is at home. You can just go back to the house and get whatever you need. So in this instance today, DeMarcus has a baseball game. So he doesn't have to miss his baseball game. We can be there to support him and to have a good time with him and then head back to the RV.
Yes, there it is. Double play, baby. Roll it up. Watch the throw. That'll work.
All right, we just got in from DeMarcus's game. It didn't end up like we wanted it to. They lost, but it's all good. That's what happens sometimes. But right now we're gonna fry some chicken and French fries. We're gonna do that outside on the deep fryer for dinner, and then we're gonna do some s'mores. So we're gonna get this chicken seasoned, washed off and seasoned, and then we're gonna get the grease ready. All right, getting ready to season the chicken. I have some barbecue seasoning blend. I have some pepper and tangy garlic seasoning. I have a little bit of garlic salt. And I was gonna use regular salt, but I really don't need it because the garlic salt has, you know, that saltiness in it. And this has 0 sodium. I like this. And so, yeah, I'm not gonna put a lot, but we're gonna put enough. I have a bag of flour, and that's what we use to fry chicken. So I'm gonna put the pieces in there. I already have the grease outside getting hot. We don't have much, so I'm gonna try to put as many as I can without overcrowding this flour. So that was about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, let me see. Yep, 6 pieces, and then that will leave 6 pieces in here, 5 pieces. So I start off with 6, and I'm gonna mix this up, take it outside, and drop it in the fryer. And this is the RV style. I'm not putting eggs in it. I'm not doing all that crispy stuff. We want a quick fried chicken. So I'm just gonna put it in the flour, and that's all. But usually, sometimes I will put the egg and put the dry flour, put it in the egg and put it over there in the other flour. But I'm not doing all that. Let's go. Let's go outside and drop it. All right, it's the end of the night. How was the food, boys?
S tier.
S tier? I don't know what that means. Hopefully it's satisfying. Oh, good food? Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching today's video. We appreciate if you would like, you comment, subscribe, show us some love. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next video.
See you guys.